Love someone, and you will soon realize it is one of life's rare gifts. Be loved by someone, and you will soon know how it feels to be corresponded in that love. The thrill of satisfaction, the joy of the other's presence, the calm in the storm, the safety in one another's arms. The journey of life is ahead, to be experienced together, knowing that true love, it does not die, but rises ever again from the ashes if needed be, ever stronger and even more exquisite. If you found love, embrace the gift. Please know you have been entrusted with an invaluable treasure. Be grateful for it and cultivate it every day.